We're all about speed. Speed. Hi! Oh, hello, my loves. Welcome back to my channel. All right, today is all about speed. We are gonna be washing my hair as quick as possible. I'm gonna be using this shampoo. This is actually my first time using it. So this is a tea tree tingle shampoo. You can get it at Trader Joe's. And I actually did a hair analysis with My Main Bio, and they said there was buildup on my hair, and they said that it came off using this. So it's cheap, and I figured, hey, like, let's give it a go. If there's buildup on my hair and I'm not clarifying enough with what I have, then I better be using something that works a little bit better. Curlsmith-Color Perfecting Conditioner. I like this conditioner a lot. It smells like watermelon, and it works beautifully in my hair. Then to style, we're gonna do the Hold Me Softly Balm by Curlsmith. I really like it, and I'm going to mix it. So I'm gonna take like it and mix it in my hand. So I'm not gonna apply them separately. I'm gonna mix them in my hand and apply them together. And then I'm gonna use the Inahsi Curl Custard, which is an absolute favorite of mine. It's glycerin free, so it's great for the summer, but I also like it during the winter. I just like, in the summer I can use it alone, but in the winter I like to pair it with something more moisturizing. So I'm gonna do them together so that we get an easy, quick routine. So my goal today is like 30 minutes. If I can do under 30 minutes, that's some skill. I got this idea from Marissa Curl, who is on Instagram. She's also here on YouTube. I'll link her down. And she did this in 30 minutes. And so I'm like, I'll see if I can do it in 30 minutes. She did double diffusing. I don't think I'm gonna do that, but I'll definitely use my Dyson, which is like 7 minutes to dry, so. It's pretty amazing. Also, can we just appreciate the new lighting? I got like actual lights, so now I feel like I'm actually lit up. If you're new here, make sure that you subscribe. If you like seeing this kind of content, give me a like. It helps me out so that way I know that you guys are enjoying it and watching. And comment down below how fast you think I can wash my hair. So usually it takes me about an hour to do like a full wash day, but I've got a head start because I knew I was gonna wash my hair today. So last night before I went to bed, I did a little bit of a pre-poo. I put in some oil in my hair, the Innate Life scalp treatment. I did that. It's like really freaking, that's really oily. That scalp treatment is like, it is just straight up like oil. Then I did the Inahsi like butter. So I did like a hair oil, and yeah. Let's see how quick we can wash my hair. What is that? Shoot. Freaking huge icicle just fell off of our...
They're falling.
Oh God. The icicles are gonna kill somebody. So you can see the icicles is gonna kill somebody. It's almost 3. So we're gonna see how quick we wash my hair. It looks so oily and bad. I look greasy. All right. So let's get going. I'm not gonna take you in the shower with me today because you know how to wash your hair. You know what it looks like. So, all right, be right back. All right, I am back, and I really like this shampoo. That was my first time using it. The tea tree tingle shampoo really cleaned my hair. My hair feels very nice. All right, so I'm gonna take about that much. My hair is very wet. So, and that's really important when using the curl custard, because if you don't use it on very wet hair, your hair will flake. It will flake in your hair. All right, so we got that. Let's mix them together. It's no breaking apart here. That's good. All right, so I'm just gonna do this. Really rake it through my hair. Get it through here. Quick, quick, quick. I'm gonna rake it, and then I'm gonna like do the praying hands motion. Okay, we'll go over on this side. Get a little bit more. I'm not using like a ton of product either because these are pretty concentrated, so don't use too much of them when you're using them. Ta-da! They look so creamy together. Get that piece right there. It's a little wild. And then maybe a little bit more over there. I'm gonna do a little bit of spraying hands to help seal together. Get, ow, frick, I just poked my ear so hard. Okay, now we're gonna take my perfect hair towel and scrunch out some of that extra. Micro plop. Get a good amount of water out of there so it dries quicker. Now we're gonna take the trusty Dyson that dries your hair so fast. Ready? Let's go. We're gonna do 2 speed, 1 heat, because this thing gets hot. So clean. Ooh. Okay. How long did that take us? Okay. It is 3:21. Not bad. I don't remember what time I started. Still looks beautiful. My hair is so clean. That tea tree shampoo is probably a new favorite because I will use that. I don't know if I would use it every week, but I'll definitely start using that like every couple weeks, maybe even every other week. I don't know, because it made my hair feel so clean, but it wasn't like drying, but my hair feels so clean. I've been struggling lately with kind of like little flakies on my scalp, and I don't see any. Awesome. Yes. Okay, so this and this cocktailed wonderfully together. I was really nervous that they weren't gonna work out because that was like a first time ever trying that type of method, but I really like it. I have a mirror right here. I'm looking at it. It looks really good. My hair is like very full today. I didn't go for too much of a too much clumping in my hair, just because, you know, today we're going for all the volume and it looks great. So, and it feels so clean. I can't even, like, my hair feels so clean. That shampoo's awesome. So there's my speedy wash day. Let me just get these hairs. They just never want to behave. Okay, honestly, this Dyson, you guys, it dries my hair so fast. And, like, it dries my hair fast and it doesn't make it frizzy, because when I would use, like, the higher speeds on my other dryer, it would make my hair, like, frizzy and crazy. So, thank you so much for watching. I wanted to do this just to show, like, you don't need a 5-hour time slot to do your hair every single week. You know, it doesn't have to be super complicated where you deep condition for like an hour or 2 hours or whatever. It can be as simple as you put something in your hair the night before, kind of like a pre-poo, and then you get up the next day, you wash it, and you style it. You mix your stylers together. You don't have to do any complicated raking, or you don't have to have like a huge time window to do your hair and have a great hair day. So I am going to go and enjoy the rest of my day and eat some lunch, and I'll see you guys next week. I upload every Friday. I'm trying to upload, I'm trying to upload more than once a week, but for now, I'm going to say I upload every Friday and try to keep consistency. If you have any video requests or anything you'd like to see from me, comment down below and let me know. And if you're not already following me on Instagram, I am Kassie Maylove on Instagram. There's a whole lot of content on there. I'm very active on Instagram. So yeah, check it out. I'll see you next week. Bye.